Hey you guys, what is up? Hey girl, hey! It is your girl Tash and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video guys, we're finally doing the first dun 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 Dollar Tree haul of 2021. Round of applause please. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Let's roll the clip. Alright guys, so first thing is first, this is actually a duo haul, if you will. I'm going to haul a tiny bin of stuff from Dollar General, and then we're going to get into the Dollar Tree. So first things first, I have this small bin here of stuff that I picked up from Dollar General. So I'm getting ready to do a video very soon. You guys will see it coming, so stay tuned. These videos always do very well on my channel. I love the products. I know you guys love the products, so just bear with me. So I did pick up a few things from Believe Beauty. I repurchased the eyebrow gel, the foundation. I purchased another one of the eye primers and the high def skinny mascara. You guys will know why very soon. Some of you might already. Don't spoil it. Come on now. Alright, so then I also purchased another one of the Suave Pink Grapefruit Energizing Hand Soap with Aloe. You guys, this is my favorite scent of all of them. It smells so good. I actually have this in my bathroom right now. The next thing that I purchased is trash bags. I purchased these my last haul. If you have not seen that, I will have it linked down below. I really like these, you guys. They're a really nice material. The downside is that you only get 16 bags, but they're $1. I'll take that. So you get 16 bags. Again, they're 8 gallon, and I use these all over the studio, the bathroom, things like that. I love these bags. I just wish they came in a big bundle bag. Like, I would pay $2-3 for a huge, like, what do you call that? Like a value size? Like, come on, DG. Come on, D to the G. So the next thing I picked up is some face mask, and it's because you get 5 in a pack. They're machine washable, one size fits all, and they look really nice and thick. So you get 5 of them for $10. I'm gonna go ahead and open these for you guys so you can see what they look like. And I thought that was a really good deal. We're gonna be in these face masks for quite a while longer. I mean, at least I am. I'm not taking my mask off, even if our governor says we can. It's just, it's not time yet. So you get 5 of them. They do show you here what you're getting. So, you got a pretty pink one, pretty floral one, and they feel nice and like they have some stretch to them. You get a pretty blue camo, got a peachy pink, and then you do get the standard black. So there's a few in here that I can wear, a few in here that Nick can wear, and we're good on mask for a while. So the last and final thing that I picked up at Dollar General today is candy. Nick and I love these theater boxes of candy. The upside is it keeps us from eating an entire bag of candy. So these are really good. Nick likes the Milk Duds. I'm the Reese's Pieces girl. And he also likes to take these to work. And I like to treat myself on the weekends. You know I'm going to have some tonight, girl. Stop it. Alright guys, so you know what time it is. Can I get a what? Dollar Tree time. So before I get into this, I do want to make a disclaimer. I am still using makeup wipes. So for those of you out there that have a problem with it, I do apologize. No, wait, no I don't. It's my channel and I'm gonna buy them if I want to, so. Okay. I picked up 3 packs of sponges. I cannot find these at Dollar Gen, so I picked them up at Dollar Tree. I love these sponges for cleaning the dishes, for cleaning the shower. It works. They work for all kinds of things. So I got 3 of them. There's 6 in a pack, so I'm good for a minute. I had to get these, you guys. Easter's coming up, and how freaking cute are these? Oh my gosh. So yeah, I'm really excited to have these. You guys know I like to be festive when I'm filming my makeup videos and things like that. These are fun, and they have all different colors. I saw blue, yellow, gold, and pink. So super cute. Had to have those. And then I also got 2 things of this spray hand sanitizer. Love it because it's refillable, and I like to spray it rather than have to pour it and then it's, you know, all over my hands. You gotta wait for it to dry. This, you just spray it on, it dries right away, you're ready to go. So, all right, so moving on to the next 2 products. I did pick up 2 of the plackers. I love these versus using actual floss. These would just make it so much easier. Use it, toss it. All right, so the next product I picked up, I actually got 2 of these tong things. They lasted us for a couple of summers, but I love to grill. They're only $1, so now I have 2. Next thing I picked up is a pack of Jot .7 medium pens. For some reason, pens disappear in our house, and I think it's me. I think I'm the pen thief, because I'll get to talking, I'm walking around, the pen's in my hand, I set it down, and then our pen cup is empty, and it drives me insane. And I know it drives Nick insane, so I had to get a pack of pens. The next product I picked up are these super cute magnetic list pads. So they had some new ones. This one says ingredients and has like a little piece of pizza, and I think some vegetables. Oh, the pizza toppings. And then this one says, enjoy sunny days, and it's got strawberries on it. I use these for grocery list, errands, things like that. This one was my favorite, but I didn't want to take them all. It's got a watermelon, and it says, hello, sweet summer. Super cute. And then this one has lemons, and it says, when life gives you lemons, make lemonade, duh. So I thought that was really cute. So moving on to the last and final thing that I did pick up at a Dollar Tree is these. And I did get 10 of them. I have 5 of the watermelon and I have 5 of the cucumber and aloe. And the reason I picked these up and I stocked up on so many of them is because my Dollar Tree that is closest to my house does not sell these, and I play hell finding them. I actually had to go out of town to get these. So I use them when I'm doing makeup swatches and things like that. Unfortunately, good old trusty here just doesn't get the pigment off. I mean, and I can sit here and spray my hands with water. Why am I justifying this? Sorry. No, I'm not. What? I use makeup wipes. Alright, you guys, so that is it for this haul. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. What is your favorite product that you recently picked up from DG or Dollar Tree? Comment down below. I want to know. Also, by the way, I have a giveaway going on. Don't say anything in the comments about the giveaway. I want you to comment a palm tree and a goat, because I like palm trees and I love my goats, and yeah. I'm super hyper, you guys. I had 3 cups of coffee today. So we're having a giveaway. I'm gonna be giving away the brand new, and I'll picture it here, Amoris Dazzle Charm palette. And I'm also gonna be giving away some of their new plumping lip glosses, which you should see here, as well as a couple of their matte lipsticks, which you should see here. So, what do you have to do to enter? Be subscribed to my channel, like this video, comment down below the palm tree and the goat emojis, and then also, for an extra entry, you can comment on my last 2 posts on Instagram with the palm tree and the goat. That is it. So, the giveaway is going to run now until, I'll leave the date down below because I don't know when this video is going up. So, good luck to all of you. Please, no messages about the giveaway. It's very, very simple. If you want extra entries, follow me on Instagram, comment on my last 2 posts. If you don't want the extra entries, that's fine. You don't have to have Instagram, but I will not accept messages saying pick me. I don't pick the winner. I just provide the goodies. So go ahead and enter the giveaway. All you want, you guys can comment daily until the giveaway is over, and you'll get extra entries that way as well. All right, you guys, I want you to stay safe out there. Make sure you are wearing your mask. Don't listen to people that tell you don't wear your mask. We are not in the clear by far. Keep yourself safe. I'll see you guys in the next one. Thank you guys so much, as always, for taking time out of your busy days to come hang out with me. I love you guys to the moon and back. Take care of yourselves. Bye, guys.